Welcome above the rooftops of Zurich, the pulsating heart of Switzerland, where history meets modernity. Behold the Grossmünster, an iconic cathedral of Zurich, founded by Charlemagne. Its distinctive twin towers testify to a rich past dating back to the 12th century and played a central role in the Reformation under Huldrych Zwingli. Step aboard the historic Polybahn, the charming funicular that has been connecting the city center with the Zurich University District since 1889. To the left, the Limmat flows into the expansive Zurich Lake Basin, which majestically opens up to Lake Zurich. A breathtaking panorama that unites city and nature. Dive into the world of stars at the Zurich Observatory, a historic gem since the 19th century. Here, a rare opportunity presents itself to peer through timeless telescopes and discover the wonders of the night sky. Experience the magic of Zurich's old town from a bird's-eye view, a sea of historic roofs, winding alleys, and the glittering Limmat snaking through this vibrant mosaic of history and modernity. Discover from above the Frauenmünster, founded in 853, a historic landmark of Zurich known for its impressive art windows and its deep roots in the city's history. Dive into the vibrant heart of Niederdorf, Zurich's picturesque quarter, with its cobblestone streets and colorful buildings inviting you to stroll. A central meeting place since the Middle Ages, Niederdorf combines traditional craftsmanship with a modern lifestyle. Where once traders and craftsmen peddled their wares, today you'll find a lively mix of boutiques, cafes, and galleries reflecting Zurich's vibrant history and cultural diversity. At Bellevue Square, the lively center by Lake Zurich, the vibrant city life begins. Nearby, the renowned University of Zurich, with its rich history since 1833, contributes to the city's academic excellence. Wander with us over St. Peter's, whose clock boasts the largest dial in Europe, a symbol of Zurich's timeless elegance. The Zurich main station, a hub in the heart of the city, leads directly to the University Library with its iconic semicircular glass roof, a symbol of Zurich's commitment to education and innovation. Discover Zurich. A city that, with its unique blend of history, culture, and nature, makes every visit unforgettable.